Having issues with your Intel wireless Bluetooth driver on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and update the latest Intel Bluetooth driver step by step. Let's get started. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Now, expand the Bluetooth adapter section. Right-click on your Bluetooth driver and select Properties. Next, click on the Driver tab and then Driver Details. Check the driver date listed here. Here's the next step. Follow the step. Open your browser and search for Intel driver. Click on the second link that appears. Now, click on Wireless and find the Intel wireless Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Check the driver update date to ensure it's the latest one. Click on Download and accept the terms. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Double-click the downloaded .x file. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Click Next to proceed. Make sure to checkmark the agreement box and then click Next again. Now click on Complete and then click Install to start the installation. Once it's done, select Finish to complete the process. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.